In this tutorial, we will try to understand the logical operation possible with NumPy. So import NumPy as NP first, and we are going to do a logical AND operation, XOR operation, AND operation, or XOR and AND operation. So first, what is the OR value of true and false? For sure, it is true. Suppose I have an array like this, I can check out this way. True, false, it is going to come to as true. So in OR operation, if single value is true, the output will be true. So this bracket and this bracket will be OR, and the answer will be represented. Now the AND operation, these two value will be AND. Any one is false, the answer is false. So now this bracket and this bracket will be AND or AND and element wise, and the answer will be represented true, false, 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 false. Similarly, XOR operation, true, false, it is true. Okay. Now there are three numbers and three numbers over here. Okay, true, true, the answer is true, sorry, false. Because in XOR, if the both value are same, that is true, true, answer is false. False, false, answer is false. Okay. Now suppose if I am creating a value from 0 to 5, that means 0 to 4 will be created. Okay, and I'm just checking which number this number is greater than 1. If number is greater than 1, that is true, and number is less than 4, that is true. If both are true, the answer will be and the answer will be true. So from 0 to 1, 0 to 4, the 0 is basically greater than 1. No, false. This is true. So true, false, the false. Okay. So the next number is 1. So 1 is greater than 1? No. But less than 4? True. So this is false, this is true. Okay. So answer is coming as basically false. Now the 2 is greater than 4, answer is yes, true. This is also true because the 2 is less than 4. So the answer is 2 is coming. The next one is 3. So 3 is greater than 1, true. 3 is less than 4, true. So answer 2 is coming. Similarly, you can do the logical NOT operation also. Yes, 0 to 4 I am creating. The 1 is less than 3, true. So answer will going to come as false because we are doing a NOT operation. 1 is less than 3, true. But we are checking the NOT operation, so it is coming to be a false. 2 is less than 3, true. So the answer is coming is false. Great. So this way logical operations are also possible with NumPy.